I've made a lot of lead magnets, and when I stick to these 8 keys, I have so much more success. Okay, so let's go through them. Number 1, ultra specific. Lead magnets should never be vague. They must offer an ultra specific solution to an ultra specific market. When you want to lead, you want to make them specific. That's how the system works. That's what makes this better. And when you're in digital marketing, targeting can be a lot more niche, it can be a lot more tight, specific. So make your lead magnets very specific to one problem. You're always able to create more lead magnets. So don't try and, cover too many bases all at once. You really want it to be about one big thing. Just as it's ultra specific, don't make it too broad, okay? Keep it within the realm of success and possibility. When we sell things, we want the end consumer to believe they can do the same thing, okay? Speaks to a known desired end result. What does your market really want? This is that escape and arrival concept. If you can figure that out and offer a lead magnet that promises it, they'll gladly give you their contact info and attention in return. The key is to talk about the size of the hole, not the size of the drill bits. Benefits, not features. End results, this is what people want to hear about. We need some element of immediate gratification. I don't really recommend just calling it a newsletter, and I don't recommend multi-day courses. I think your market wants a solution and they want it now. Give it to them. When you're just collecting an email, you need to keep it brief, yet valuable. It's got to shift the relationship. Like, it can't just be a little bit of education. It changes the state and mindset of your prospect so they're pre-framed to engage in future business and offers with you and your brand. Okay, so you really have to be thoughtful about how you and your brand could produce some media that shifts that relationship, puts you in a better light than it did before. We need high perceived value. If people think it's worthless or junk, they're going to ignore it. You need a great headline, and those mock-ups do a great job of adding that perceived value. Just because it's free doesn't mean it should look free. We use professional graphics and imagery to establish real monetary value for the lead magnet in their mind. But also, I want it to have high actual value. You have to live up to it. You can't just be all sizzle, no steak. You might get their contact info, but if you don't follow through, you're going to lose their attention. So that's why by keeping it on one big thing, specific, you don't have to go too far. Just deliver strongly. Finally, rapid consumption. Just as much as immediately gratifiable, it is easy to consume very quickly. But you don't want your lead magnet to be in some huge roadblock in your sales funnel. Make it consumed or experienced in 5 minutes or less. All right, that's it for the 8 keys. Stick to those 8. Do you well in the long run. Next up, I'm going to take you back into the escape and arrival concept to help you identify the perfect lead magnet with ease. Hey, thanks for watching that video. That video is actually a direct pull from my full stack digital marketing masterclass, where I've got 100 plus videos on mastering the art and science of digital marketing, taking your skills to the next level, becoming a freelancer, consultant, agency owner, whatever is in your future. This course is going to help you. So go to richandniche.com/masterclass to get all the details. We've got a lot of bonuses over there as well. Get it while it's still available. If you like this kind of video, make sure you like it. Leave me a comment below if you'd like to see other topics. And of course, subscribe if you want to get my regular videos. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. May the algorithms be ever in your favor.